Hello viewers, welcome to the first episode of the Car Facts. Today I would like to talk about the topic Secret Life of Cars, pretending they are useful. Let's get started. The secret life of cars, 95% parked, 5% pretending they are useful. Cars, the sleek, shiny machines of human ingenuity. Symbols of freedom, power, and your dad midlife crisis. Yet the cold, hard truth about cars will drive you insane. They spend whooping 95% of their lives parked. That's right. Your precious four-wheeled marvel is essentially a very expensive driveway ornament. What are these lazy metal giants doing during their prolonged parking sabbaticals? Plotting world dominations. No, that's the Wi-Fi router job. Instead, they sit existential silence, pondering the deeper question of their existence. Why I'm here? What is my purpose? Was I really worth that the second loan? Picture your car in your driveway, taking up space like a freeloading teenager. The only time it moves is when you want to impress the Karen from the next door with your questionable parallel parking skills. Or when it's time for the monthly shopping, go to Costco, Asda, Tesco, or wherever you want. So basically, we can call your car is a ultimate couch potato. Let's break it down. 95% of time parked, relaxing, or working on its tan under the sun. 4.5% of time navigating your daily commute, where you yell at the other driver for existing. And 0.5% of their time panicking at the gas station when you realize fuel costs more than your lunch budget. It's essentially a 30,000 pounds oversized paperweight with Bluetooth. If cars had resumes, their skills section would look something like this. Proficient in holding bird's poop. Master of collecting McDonald's fries under the seats. Expert in losing pens, sunglasses, and your dignity. Driveway drama, cars versus the world. Where your car sits idle, it has plenty of enemies to fend off. Pigeons. Yes, pigeons. Your car is their bullseye on the target. Weather. One day is sunny, the next day is hot. Your car takes it like a champ. Or sort of. And let's not forget the ultimate betrayal. When you lovingly wash and wax your car, only for it to rain 5 minutes later. It's a universe enjoying dunking your automotive pride. But seriously, cars, they are real luxury hermits. Here is the kicker. Even luxury cars aren't exempt. That the 300,000 pounds Lambo, sitting in garage, guttering dust, while its owner brags about it on Instagram. Ferraris, Bugattis, Rolls-Royce, they are just fancier hermits. Even the Batmobile spends more time parked than chasing bad guys. So the next time someone tries to sell you a practical car, remember this. You are really just buying a glorified parking space filler. And the next time you are stuck in traffic, take a comfort in knowing that, statistically, your car prefers this to work harder than 5% of its life. In conclusion, cherish your car for what it truly is: an overpriced hunk of metal living in the best stationary life. It's not lazy, it's efficiently unproductive, and hey, isn't that the dream for all of us? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Next episode of the Car Facts next month, every first Monday of the month. See you then.